Kevin, we all know the famous Mendelson's iconic pizza store in Borough Park. Well, now they just got the newest edition. Master Chef Netanel Shabbat, Della Nonna. How do you pronounce it again?
Della Nonna.
Della Nonna.
Correct.
Della Nonna gelato. Wow. So let me hear a little about getting Chalav Yisrael gelato. It's not simple.
Oof, it was one of the most difficult things to do, is the gelato in a Chalav Yisrael.
Wow.
It was a lot of mathematics and a lot of trial and error, but Baruch Hashem, I made it happen.
You made it happen.
I made it happen.
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, Kevin. In the Mendelson's pizza store. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Well, and it's funny that we're taking this video right now, and look who walks in.
Look at that, Heshi. Wow. The man of the hour, Heshi. Unbelievable.
The man.
The man. What, before we go further, we all know Heshi's opening an amazing Mendelson's branch in Lakewood, New Jersey. Are you guys going with?
Of course, Della Nonna is following wherever Mendelson goes.
Really? Maybe even Israel.
Mizrat Hashem.
We opened a crazy, beautiful store in Eretz Yisrael. Give a show. He's coming.
Wow.
He's coming.
We're gonna make it happen.
Known on Israel.
We're gonna make it happen.
We always know Heshi has the best signature pizza in the world.
Correct.
My parents grew up on it. My grandparents grew up on
If
it.
he didn't have the best signature pizza, do you think he'd bring the best signature?
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say now.
Gelato.
So we all know he has the best pizza out there. Let's turn the camera a little over here. The famous, legendary pizza over here. Heshi's Pizza, Mendelson's Pizza. And now we got the gelato. Now, gelato, like I said before, is very hard in the Heimish world.
So I went to Italy for close to 3 months.
Really?
And it's called Carpigiani, that's the school that I went to over there. And they're the #1 school. They invented actually gelato 250 years ago. And they're still going strong.
Wow, so you actually went to school to learn how to make gelato?
3 months I was in Italy.
And he got his master's degree.
You got a master's degree?
Master chef.
Certificate of, oh wow, Netanel Shabbat, gelato master course. So you actually got a degree in gelato.
But you don't start at the master. You got to do 3 other courses before.
Wow, so master chef, you didn't earn that name master for nothing.
No.
All right.
Now you're gonna see why I didn't. I earned it. You're gonna see. We're gonna
check it out. Let's check it out. What does he have over here?
We're gonna start with the
One minute. I see over here you have Snickers.
Yeah.
Is that Chalav Yisrael Snickers?
I make the Snickers, so then it's Chalav Yisrael.
You make the Snickers?
I make the Snickers. I make the Nutella, which is also.
These are all the famous ice cream that all the Heimish Yidden always wanted to eat, but we never were able to.
Correct. Kinder Bueno.
Look at that.
You have the Dubai. You have Biscotti Lotus.
Oh my goodness.
Strawberry.
Insane. That's insane. People from the whole world are coming out here. Look at that, Kevin. Look at that. Check it out.
It's coming from Israel.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Well, we can't give them all our secrets.
Look at that. Look how smooth it looks. Check it out, Kevin.
It's
look
like
at that ice cream.
you can play with it as much, do with it whatever you want.
So
it's not like ice cream. It's real gelato.
You should look at that. Kevin, get my kick at the gelato. So gelato, for those who don't know, is a mixture of...
It's made out of milk and heavy cream. As ice cream, it's water and powdered milk.
Got it.
So you can never reach these kind of textures. And the way you can tell the difference between ice cream and gelato is ice cream, once you put it in your mouth, it freezes your mouth. But when you put... Correct. And when you take gelato, even though it's minus 12 Celsius, it's warm. When you put it in your mouth. Now I'm going to show you one of my desserts here, only at Mendelson's.
Wow, what is that?
This is a bubble waffle. It's something that you have to try, and the people must see it on camera. So
bubble waffle.
Yeah.
All right, while that gets ready, let's just check out from the other side of the window. Look at these. Heshi, what do you say to this, Heshi? It's insane.
You know?
Look at this. Oh, crazy.
You know, we had Epiphany here. Mendelson's has been around for 57 years, a long time. Delicious pizza. We said, let's bring a full Italian Mediterranean experience here. We opened up Cucina Modern Kitchen, high-end, Milan, crazy, delicious Italian food. One thing was missing, real Italian ice cream. We got it. We're here.
This is insane. So now you completed the picture.
A complete picture.
You have the whole Italian experience here. Look at this Dubai over there. Strawberry. That Snickers is still something I can't get over. Let's go over this. Heshi, can you believe it? You got this in your store. Wow. The texture looks something out of the world. Heshi, I'm sure you're a maven of food, but you're probably a maven of ice cream too.
I'm a big maven in good taste.
And this is good taste. If Mendelson's took him in, he's on top of the line.
Yes. And we're very proud to have him working together in this venture. And Mitzvah Shem, we're going to Lakewood beyond. We're talking about Eretz Yisrael, which we are there already. Mendelson's is there already in Eretz Yisrael.
So now we're going to show you the bubble waffle. You ready? We flip it like that. Look at that.
Wow.
Then we put it in here like this.
No fruit. No.
Now we put the gelato inside.
Heshi, you ever saw this? This is insane.
This is his first time seeing it as well.
That's boiling hot, and you're gonna put that cold gelato on top of it.
Okay, that's one scoop.
No way.
Then, which other one should we do? Let's do the Dubai. Let's do the Dubai. We crack it like that. And now we put it like this. But it doesn't end there. We have to put some toppings, no?
Toppings.
So we put some more pistachios.
This looks insane.
We take some chocolate. Maybe some caramel.
It's out of the world.
Next level.
This is next
Look at
level. Next level. Come get my gelato in the frab, in the cone. Oh my goodness, that is out of the world.
Look how it's, and we're not cheap, you see? We put a lot.
You put a lot. That's heavy, man. L'chaim.
And why, when do we eat sugvaniot?
Hanukkah.
Hanukkah, right? Why only Hanukkah? Why not all year? So, we make sugvaniot. I came up with, we should have sugvaniot all year. So
Okay.
I take the sugvaniot, cut it open like a bun. Do you remember when you said, smash house? So now we have smash gelato. You see?
Smash
Smash
gelato.
So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the Oreo. Put it inside, just like that. Then we take that, we smash it.
This is insane. Smash. Oh, you're creative. I see you went to school for this.
Put some white chocolate. Put some chocolate.
Unreal.
You can never say no to Oreos, right?
Oreos you can never say no to, no.
So we add some more Oreos. Actually, it's unlimited topping, so they can basically put as much stuff as they want on it. They can
Unlimited toppings for
put
this.
some cracked cones. Finish it off with some powdered sugar. There you go.
Have a look at this. This is the most insane donut you ever saw in your life. Heshi, what do you say to this? This is insane.
Who needs Hanukkah for donuts?
Who needs Hanukkah for donuts? It's crazy.
Now on top of it are milkshakes. We still didn't get there. I don't think anybody actually really had a real milkshake. A real milkshake you have to do with gelato.
Gelato
Look how
milkshake.
many flavors. You have here 20 flavors that you can choose.
Let's go over the flavors real quick.
You have Nutella, Kinder Bueno, Snickers, Oreos. This is chocolate strawberries, tiramisu, Dubai, strawberries, vanilla, lotus, mango, iced coffee, passion fruit, cheesecake, cherries with cracked stracciatella chocolate.
How do you say it again? I want to test you on that.
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella.
This is a variegated cherries.
Wow.
So you have options of how you're gonna get the toppings. Mm-hmm. We should show them a milkshake. No?
Let's see how you make a milkshake. Let's see how you do that.
What milkshake do you think we should do?
I think we should do Nutella.
Nutella? Let's do Nutella. Now the Nutella also, I took all the Israeli chocolates and it's a Nutella balagan.
Ah, Nutella
Because I used
balagan.
all the clicks, all the how do you call it? The cornflakes with chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
I mixed all the chocolates inside the Nutella. Remember, you have all the chocolates inside.
Everything's in there.
Not only Nutella.
Get back kick, get back kick. You have that gelato with all the toppings.
Now, hold on.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
This is what you get when you do, when you come to Della Nonna.
Della, Nonna.
Those.
Chazak. Oh, yeah. This is too much, this is too much. I'm scared the other one watching the video is just gonna, they're not gonna do themselves.
And we take some chocolate cornflakes, white chocolate cornflakes, and add it on top like that. Now you tell me, you've seen a lot of milkshakes in your life.
I've seen that. I've seen
Have you seen
everything.
something like
this
this?
I've never seen. Not the
Now, this
milkshake.
is only one of our drinks. We still didn't even get started. I don't think you have enough memory in the phone. On top of this, I'm just going with what's in my head right now. But you guys can come to Della Nonna and you choose what you want to put inside.
You can mix and match.
You can mix match. This is the place for you to have fun. Because when you went, you know what Della Nonna means?
What is
the
Della
best
Nonna mean?
grandma.
The best
The
grammar.
best grandma is Della Nonna.
I
Nonna
never-
in Italian is grandma. And when you went to your grandma's house, you got to do whatever you want. So now you come to Della Nonna.
Oh, you're sweet.
And you do whatever you want.
Wow, Nathaniel, you are sweet.
I'm also, this is the Dubai donuts.
Dubai. This is crazy. What you pull off over here.
level.
Woof.
We're gonna make one of my other milkshakes. It's called the crazy milkshake.
The crazy
Now
milkshake.
you're gonna see why. Okay? We're gonna start. Now we just randomly. You guys can come and choose any gelato.
Mix
you
and
want.
match, right?
Any gelato you want. But I'm going on a fruity one. So we're gonna take some cherries, some strawberries.
Have a look at this little ice cream on the wall here. It's cool. Cool stuff over here. So let's see how this works.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You guys ready?
We're all ready. Crazy milkshake coming out. Look at that. It's thick. Real. Intense.
All right, we're done with that. Part 2.
Some espresso.
Goes in like that.
Oh, my chef. It's getting crazier by the minute. It's getting sick.
Take some flakes.
I'm
Now,
scared.
like I said, you get to choose any ice cream. So, Kyle, you choose the next one.
All right, let's do the Dubai.
Dubai.
We're all Dubai fans. No way, it's going in the donuts. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Now, what do we do to it?
Smash!
Smash it, baby. Smash it. Okay? That's it. That's it. That's a crazy donut.
Oh my goodness, Kevin. The craziest I saw in my life. The donut, the ice cream, and the milkshake all together. Beyachad. Chevre chazak. It's insane. L'chaim! This is a picture perfect.
Right.
Oh, it's not over.
You need some caramel, brother. We call it the crazy milkshake, right? 'Cause
No
it's crazy.
way. How about some fudge on top?
Yeah, we got it.
You got that too?
What do you think?
I think this is
You think that
insane.
people are gonna like it?
I think this is insane. Nachman Feig, multi-flash, this is for you guys. This is for the guys are gonna love this. This is for the lover. It's like out of whack. Out of whack. It's all Chol Yisrael and this is crazy. But this is all for the pizza store, right? We're now at Mendelson's Pizza. What's what guys who go to the restaurant next door, Cucina?
We're allowed to talk about that kind.
What?
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Why, it's a secret?
I didn't know that it was out there.
Over there. All right, so here we are in front of the famous Cucina restaurant. So let me hear how are people gonna be able to have the delicious Della gelato in Cucina? How are we doing that?
So, let's go inside. So
Let's check it out.
show them how beautiful the place is.
This place is Italy. Italy. You walk in here, you feel like you're in Rome. Get the full experience in here. Wow, Cucina, the ambience here is out of the world. Woof. Wow. So let me hear from you.
So, basically, what we're doing in Cucina is something that nobody still has done. We're using Della, Nonna, which is going to make their signature dessert, which is going to be made out of gelato, but you can only get it here. Not even in Della, Nonna.
Not even that, just here in
That's the
Cucina.
beauty about it.
So not a Mendelson either.
Nope, only here.
So you're gonna have a special dessert in Cucina
It's going
restaurant.
to be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy. We know what crazy means already. We know you can perform craziness.
A little bit about myself.
What's with Lakewood? You're heading out to Lakewood as well.
Lakewood, of course. Wherever Mendelson goes, Della, Nonna goes.
Oh man, what about Israel?
Israel too. Moti, get ready. I'm coming for you.
The Chov HaTzvus. The Israelis don't know what hit them when you come over there.
Wait.
So Chevre, Della Nonna, Master Chef, Nathaniel, this is something you blew me away.
I appreciate it.
Chevre, Della Nonna, Mendelson's Cucina, this is the place you want to be. Hatzim Aleichem.